So I got this pretty amazing mold, and I am very excited to mold this and then to paint it. And I might try to do an extra little thing, but we'll see where this goes. So right now I need to melt that, pour it in, paint, and yeah, I'm gonna melt that. Okay, now that it's all melted, I got my mold. Spray it down with alcohol. Not sure if I need to do that, but I did it anyway. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up because I have plans for this, and maybe a little bit more. Oh, maybe I am. Okay. Spray it again, though it doesn't really matter at this point because I'm not worried about the back, but there we go. And now we wait. All right. So I let this cool. I think it's ready to unmold. Well, guess we'll find out. And if I mess it up, whatever. I'll pour more. Ooh, yeah. That looks cool. That looks cool. Ooh, okay. Now for painting. All right. So I moved locations again, but I'm going to start painting this. So I think I have an idea of what I want to do for the colors. I have my micas here. Got my Brambleberries, my Mad Micas. I got this stuff I got from Amazon. Just to play around with color. I probably wouldn't use these just because I got these to try out, but I probably wouldn't use it on soap I would want to sell just because I don't know much about this company. And like, so this soap, this is just for me. This is me messing around, playing around. So I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, these, I mean, they seem to be okay. I'm just a little unsure. Could be fine. I don't know. I like to stick with companies I know. Oh, Nurture Soap. That's another one. So yeah, and then I got my Brambleberry. Oh no, I lied. I got my 99% alcohol and paintbrushes to pour the alcohol and then paint with. And I did have a little, where is it? Oh my gosh. Where did it go? I had a little container set to the side, especially so I can mix colors with it, and now it's gone. It's gone. The little container thingy is gone. Oh, okay. Well, dang it. break this down. Alcohol and let it dry. So now, because by itself it looks pretty neat, however, I want it to be embedded in this clear dome so the colors don't wash away as quick. So I'm gonna have to cut it. Found a mug that is about the size of this dome, I think. Maybe a little bit bigger, but that's not a bad thing. And I'm going to use it as a way to cut this into that shape. So let's see if I could do it. I don't know if it's a clever idea, but I don't know. It's one I had. So, all right. I have to stand up. Okay. So, thinking about there. It's not going to be perfect because this is actually. It's not going to be a perfect end bed because the bar is not big enough. Fit. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's fine. I think. Okay, this is probably not going to be perfect, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Alrighty. So, know where to cut now. Ish. Ish. Now, how do I cut it? I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I realize that the eye is not exactly... You know what? It's fine. It's fine. We're going to make it work. Now, probably going to do... because we don't need that much. Okay. So I'm back at another location because that's just how I do. I have it cut the way I want it to be. I'm going to spritz this with alcohol. Spritz that. I don't know if it's going to help or hinder, but me. Okay. It's not going to be a perfect fit, but it will do for what I want it to do. Okay. Let's make sure. Okay. Let's see if I can pour it in a way. Let's see how that works. I don't know if it's going to work out, but I did something similar. Here, let me wash it. I did something similar. See, I'm trying not to get with this, except it was kind of bulgy and yeah, but it got the job done. And now the color won't rub off that fast. So you can appreciate the work of art longer if this works out. We'll see. We'll see. So now we wait. Dun dun dun. Okay. I think maybe I can unmold this. Oh no. What's going on? Alright, well, we'll see. If I mess it up, I mess it up, I guess. Alright. The unmolding. Oh no. It's not coming out. Oh crap. Oh. It came out. Whoa. You know, that's not too bad. There's some mica came loose. I think I could just wash it off. Hey, that looks pretty neat. Ooh. I'm gonna have to fix that up, but that's not too bad. Even if it didn't fully form here, you can't really tell. Yay! It worked. It worked. Behold, my dragon eye. Oh, oh yes. So I realized when I was recording the unmolding that my lens was smudgy. To get a better view of this, I had to wash it off.